Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Bitvae Toothbrush Cleaner and Holder. This is a sterilization kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, you find your instruction manual inside, walking you through kind of how to install and work with this. Now, please note that it does have a USB-A to USB-C charger. Also has a couple mounting type devices here, depending on whether or not you're looking to mount this or whatever, whenever you're looking to do that. USB-C charging space right there. And you'll note that there is room for two different brush heads to go into this. And the idea being that you can hang it. I'm going to probably demonstrate it without hanging because I don't know where I'm going to want to put this just yet, and I do want to make sure that I show you. Please note that it only goes one direction here. It only goes to the left. You'll also have your instructions here, it looks like. So just read all that stuff. I don't know that it's charged. It is about 88%, 82% charged. So that actually will kind of pop on its own, I just noticed. Maybe, I'm not sure how to read your instructions. We'll figure that part out. So you'll find some adhesive here for the back and the ability to kind of mount this. Just make sure that you are going to slide this in and out. It will eventually, if you're doing it right, slide on. And sorry, I'm just trying to block a QR code, which they have there. So this will just slide on, and what you'll do is just stick this to your wall and then be able to kind of slide this on from there. And should make it relatively easy to post this. I'm just not sure where I'm going to want to post this in my my bathroom yet, so I'm going to demonstrate it. Probably just laying it down like that. So let's read the instructions and make sure that you know exactly how to do this, and we'll go ahead and demonstrate it. All right, so as mentioned, I'm not sure where I'm going to hang this yet, and I do think it absolutely needs to be hung at this point, just because, as we kind of see, it's going to be a little bit off angle otherwise. But all you're going to do is, once it's powered up, you're going to hold this down for 2 seconds, and it should turn on. Now, this does have a wave capability, and what I mean by that is using the force, or whatever you want to call it. When you wave across it, you should be able to get these in. So from there, what we're going to do is just get the toothbrush head in on either side, however you want to. You got to make sure that it's not going to come above the top here, and then we're just going to wave again, and it should begin the process. And so it'll kind of count down from 100%, and really it's going to have a cleansing process and then an air drying process. All right, so after 0, it goes off on its own. I guess you do have to still open it on your own. And again, depending on your head, you may want to kind of turn it around here and there and work. These certain heads work a little bit cleaner than others, and so that'll be very easy to get in that way. But this one is kind of needs to go on the side a little bit, so just be aware of that as well. That's, I believe, the D2 will not go in as easily, so you'll kind of have to push it to the side to kind of make it happen. But either way, these are really cool. Again, every time you close it, it'll automatically go on, so just be aware of that. And again, it should allow for hanging. So if you are hanging it on the wall, we'll adjust this up a little bit so you can see a little bit better. We would literally just do that, close it, and it hangs properly and goes through all the motions. So again, I'm not sure that I want to put this on that wall or if I want to put it somewhere else yet, but it'll go through all that stuff. So very cool. very good, convenient feature to keep in your bathroom for cleaning your toothbrush. So hopefully this review helped. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.